VidNexus AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called VidNexus AI. So we are doing an early review. That is why sales page is not live yet because I'm doing the review 2 days before. So this is launching on 8th of August, I think. And right now the sales page is not working, but we do have the demo video, which is more than enough for me to do the review. And how do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find a link below my YouTube video in the description. It will be saying grab video Nexus or VidNexus AI copy here. And then you will be on the sales page on 8th of August or after when the product goes live. Okay, so sales page is not the problem. We have the demo video. And I'll give you the discount coupon code as well right now. So you can use this VidN3 to get $3 discount. Okay, or you might have new discount coupon codes on the sales page when it goes live, so check that as well. And let's come back. So let's play the demo video. Or by the way, if you want some bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end, because I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning of the video. I'll do the review first, and then we'll talk about the bonuses and how you can get them, what they are, and how to make money online. And also, if you want to buy my own software, so you can see this says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So you can click on that link and then you can buy my software, which I have launched and created on Warrior Plus. This is for creating images. This is for marketing campaigns. So I have explained all this in the end. So make sure you watch the full video. So let's watch the demo video right now and maximize it. So I'll just show you some glimpses. You will find this demo video on the sales page as well when the sales page goes live. Okay, so when you scroll the sales page maybe 50-60% on the sales page itself, you will find this 10 minutes long demo video, which you have to watch first before you buy this. I'll show you some glimpses. What can you generate using this? So in the left side you have all these options: create kids video, podcast, movies, avatar, story generator, prompt generator. So you will see all these things in the video one by one. This is number one. I think create some stories, whatever it is. It's ABC video. So A for apple, B for ball, D for dog. Okay, so this is for kids, which is fine. If you have like 3 years old kid, 2 years old kid, it's gonna work. And then what else we got? Let's keep moving. So second is podcast. So let's create podcast. You can see junior, not junior. He is like toddler Trump. Yeah. So it's not junior Trump, he's toddler Trump. That's why they're so funny, right? So you can create these stupid fake kids podcast. I mean, they look okay, they look cool, they look funny. So that's what you need. Let's move on. You go and watch the demo video in a free time. So this is your third, I guess, kids movies. So you can create short 1 to 2 minutes long kids movies. Like, this is a rabbit in the garden taking out its carrots, and then some people coming to, let's see what we have in this movie. Okay, that's your whole movie. So this is rabbit. Rabbit is offering the carrot to the squirrel because the squirrel could not find her nuts. And then this is what? Bird, some blue bird. So that's your 1 minute long movie. Okay. Next is avatar. So you can download this image. That's your avatar. And then you have a story generator. So you can generate this story, the book, as you can see. And this book can be into some audio format or video format as well. Okay, so it's a multi-purpose software. I like it. It's like, you can just spend $10-15 and you can get all this. Okay, so go and grab this copy if you want. And even if you don't want this, then if you want more bonuses, then you have to go and buy this. Obviously in the front end you will not get everything unlimited, so let's check the OTOs. Unlimited version is for $37. So if you want everything unlimited, go for $37. And then you can check more OTOs right here until number 9. Okay, so go pick and choose. And that's it. You can see my bonus is already linked with the sales page. So this is my bonus URL linked with the sales page. So if you don't know what bonuses you're going to get if you go and buy this using my link below, or how to make money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end now. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy. if you want it or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.